Okay, so for today, Tuesday, actually we start off on Monday, and what we did is we have an exit ticket. If you didn't get a good grade on this, you can go back, check your grade, and retake it. What we did today is we went over, we finished Monday's activity. So looking at Monday's activity, we went over that if you have a new substance being formed, that is a good indication of a chemical change. So for example, in photosynthesis, water and carbon dioxide are turned into oxygen gas and sugar. And you can eat sugar, but you cannot eat carbon dioxide. So that's a pretty good indication that a new substance is formed. Some signs of a chemical change are the formation of a precipitate. Go ahead and say that word, you need to know it. A precipitate is when two liquids mix and form a solid. Another sign of chemical change is a change in color, a change in temperature, gets hot or gets cold, production of light, or produces a gas. And finally, a change in smell. Any of those would be a sign of a chemical change. So a change resulting in a new substance with new properties is a chemical change. So for example, if you want to pause this and look at it, one of the signs of chemical change for firecrackers. And here are the signs that we determined for baking a cake. Okay, this right here, again, if you want to pause it and read through it. Here, getting cold is a sign of chemical change. This reaction got very cold, so not only do they get hot, they can get cold. A change in color is a sign of chemical change. This was a silver nail. It's turned brown. Again, copper pennies were nice shiny copper. Now they're green. Digestion is a chemical change because it forms a new substance. You eat the hamburger, the bread is turned into sugar by your body. The protein in the meat is turned into amino acids, so it produces a new substance. This is an example when you mix two clear liquids together and you get a solid. The signs of chemical change here would be a precipitate. So this here, that yellow stuff is a solid powder, so it's coming out two liquids, that's a precipitate. And then finally, cooking an egg, it was clear, it turns white, that is a change in color. Then from there, we went to Tuesday, and we went through the vocabulary. A product is what is made in a chemical reaction. This is what is made in a chemical reaction. This product. The reactant is what goes into it. And then this arrow is read as yield. So the way I would read this formula, this chemical formula, is that the reactants yield the products. Here are the list of signs of chemical change. What you're going to do is watch this video. And actually, I have the answers here. Watch the video and see how we came to the conclusion that these were the signs of chemical change. And then what we did is we went over building the molecules that go through a chemical change. Again, this would be the reactants going in, yields the products coming out. And you can see how the symbols over here. And then tomorrow we're going to go over there. We're going to look at this chemical reaction tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hope to see you in class.